Hey guys, I'm back with another quick install. I promise you it's quick and it's beginner friendly. When I tell you I did nothing to this wig, I did not bleach the knots. It came exactly like this. This is the wig straight out the box. And look at the edges. It's given natural and I'm so here for it. The hair that I'm rocking in today's video is from OMGHerHair. And are you seeing the edges on this wig? It is given natural. Now I've already applied the wig cap on the head. I do have a lot of very detailed videos on how I do my ball cap method, so check one of those videos out. So I'm just gonna pop this wig on my head straight out of the box and it looks amazing. It is pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, so I do not have to bleach it or do anything to it. Are you seeing the parting? It is given 𝐒𝐚𝐯𝐞. Like, this hairline looks amazing. The edges literally look like my own edges, so I'm here for that. If I ever have a wig company, this is exactly how I'd want my wigs to look straight out the box, like ready to wear wigs. Now I'm gonna go in with my little tiny scissors and cut away that extra lace right by the ear. Literally my least favorite thing to do, but I'm gonna do this for you on camera. Now I'm gonna go in with some lace glue and I'm gonna apply this to my forehead area. I already used a skin protector because I always use one when I apply my wig, and I use the bowl hole skin protector. So I'm just gonna go in with the lace glue, and I do up to 2 layers of glue. You want to wait until that glue dries clear and then pull down the lace. So just pull it down. So as you can see, I kind of changed the way I apply my wig. I don't really cut it away in sections. I just pull the whole thing down, and I find that this method, it is easier. And my other method I found was beginner friendly, but I think this one can work as beginner friendly as well. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on a cool setting and just melt it down. Now I'm going to go ahead and kind of create a hairline that I want that looks a bit more natural. So I kind of want like a V-shaped hairline in the front of the wig, because it was literally just going straight across and no one hairline is naturally like that. So now I'm going to go in with some hair wax and I'm just going to flatten down that wig a bit, and I'm going to go in with my hot comb as well, because it's really going to make that hair look nice and laid. The wig that I'm wearing, like I mentioned, it's from OMGHerHair. This is the 20 inches hair and it's a 150 density. It looks pretty full, by the way. Now as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and cut away all the extra lace because, you know, we don't need that anymore. And look at the edges. It's still giving really natural edges. Now I do have to cut away a bit more of the hair because my hairline is not super low, so I like to keep my wig's hairline looking as natural as possible. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to the side as well, and again I did 2 layers of glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull that lace down once the glue has dried clear. Now the only thing about this wig that I didn't really love is I didn't like the fact that at the side there was not a lot of parting room. So the wig is about a 13 by 4, I think it's 13 by 6 actually. So there's a lot of parting room in the center, but at the side there was not a lot of lace room at the side, but it still looks really good. So again, I just went in with my hot comb just to comb the edges down, and I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side as well. Listen, the wig is on. I haven't even melted it yet and it looks so amazing. I'm here for it. So I'm gonna step off camera, do my makeup, and she's back. And this is what it's looking like. This is the natural curls. So I washed the hair earlier before I applied it, and this is how the curls look without any products. And I'll be honest with you, I really love how it looks, but I also want to add products to it just so you guys can see how it looks. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just go back in with my hot comb because I want to melt this wig down now. Now, as you can see, I did leave some edges out because I think the edges look really natural and realistic with this wig. I'm not a fan of, like, you know, crazy baby hair. I don't like too much baby hairs on my wig, but with curly hair wigs, I do like a little bit of baby hair, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go in with my hair mousse and my edge brush just to brush away all that hair, and I'm going to tie it down to melt it. So now I'm going to tie the wig down, and I'm going to leave this on for about, let's say, 10 minutes. Sometimes I do leave it on for 15 minutes. It depends. But I'm going to leave this on for a bit, and I'm going to go in with my water bottle. So I'm just going to go in and just spray the hair, because the front, as you can see, the front wasn't looking super curly. It actually looked a bit more on the frizzy side because I was combing the hair earlier. So the front was a bit frizzy, and I want all the curls to look the same. So I'm going to go in with my 𝐒𝐚𝐯 gel as well. Like I said, I do like the hair hair without products, but it also looked good with products, and I wanted you guys to see how it looks. So I went in with the 𝐒𝐚𝐯 gel, and I also went back in with the hair mousse. I cannot remember the brand of the hair mousse that I used. I got it at Sally's, but I will put it in the description box down below, just like with the hair info as well. Everything will be listed down below, so make sure you check that out. Now when it comes to curly hair extensions or wigs, I will let you know this right now, you will have a bit of shedding. So the shedding on this wig was not a lot. It was definitely just minimum shedding. When I put my hands through, some of the hair was coming out, which is totally normal for this hair texture. This is definitely going to be one of my go-to wigs because it's super easy to style and maintain, and honestly sometimes I really don't feel like pulling out the curling iron or the flat iron. I just want to put it on my head and go about my business. So I like the fact that it's super easy to maintain. I just add some mousse and some gel and it's good to go, or you could just wear it in its natural form. And look, she is completely melted and giving you that wet hair look. Now I do want a bit more volume. I think it looks cute, but I want more volume to this, and as you can see, I'm adding some of that hair mousse to the very top. And I just added to the top because I want the curl on the top to be more defined as well. And this is how the hair is looking full in length, you guys. I'm only 5'5.5", and it's not very short on me for 20 inches. I feel like the length is a bit longer than 20 inches. Now I'm gonna go in with my diffuser because, honey, I want some volume and I don't want it to look frizzy. So I'm gonna go in with that diffuser, and I'm just using it on a warm setting. To be honest with you, I don't really use diffusers a lot. This is my daughter's diffuser, and I was just like, I want this to speed up and dry. Usually I'd let it air dry, but yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. I'm loving this hair. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know what you guys think of this hair. Let me know if you like it better without the products. I kind of like both. I really do. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.